Right, guys, I don't know if I'm making the right decision here. I'm letting the wife cut my hair today. It's going to be interesting. Hi, can I have a grade 2 on the side and say that much off the top, please?
What?
Like a grade 2 on the
I'll
side.
just do what I can.
No, hold on. Right, I'm making a bad choice here, guys. Hold on. Should I go ahead with this or not? I have no fucking clue if I should.
Oh my god, I don't know.
Okay.
Why don't you just use your clipper and just shave it all off?
No, I'm not shaving it all off.
Okay, will you hold it and I'll chop it?
Okay. Okay, hold on.
Hold on.
You can put it on the mat that's on the floor, it's fine. You don't have to put it on my t-shirt.
Isn't that what they do at the barbers?
No.
Maybe I should do the top first.
Do however you want. I might have to end up shaving my hair off. Did you just cut it at random? You fucking kidding me?
It was poking up, so I just cut it.
No!
See?
I almost felt that at the base of my scalp. Of the roots.
That's such a lie.
I want a size 2 on the side. What are you doing? What the fuck did you just do? Can you not go freestyle on my hair, please? Okay, listen.
Okay, wait. All I need to do... No.
Any hair over the fingers without cutting my fingers off. You're not doing it where the fingers are.
I am! You said don't cut your fingers off. All I need to do is just get rid of this chicken hair over here.
Yeah, get rid of the chicken hair then. What the fuck did you do?
Can I... Maybe I just use clippers and go from here.
Fuck sake. I think I need to go to a different barber's. You're like a kid with a new toy. Use the comb.
Okay, trust me. Do not move, okay? Do not move.
Yeah, I felt your hand waver a couple of times going in and out. Well, as of right now, I can't see what the hell you're doing, so I hope it's gonna be okay. I always skip a heartbeat when you cut and then you stop for a second. Is that too short or is it okay?
Oh, stop panicking.
No, I'm just asking.
Don't ask.
Looks alright, I guess. Carry on. One second.
You do this to your barber as well?
All the time.
Excuse me.
What are you trying to do? Take my ear off?
Oh, this is hard work.
This needs to go.
I think it looks really nice. I'm so
Yeah.
proud of myself.
I think it looks really nice as well. Well, I can't see, but it feels like it is.
Otherwise it look like what it's looking now.
Whoa! This is a rough hairdresser. Don't visit her. Worst reviewed hairdresser in Southampton. What the Did you just make it a bald patch over there?
It's not even that much.
Can you just make it all small now and use this fucking thing I told you? Use that. I can see that. It's over here, isn't it?
There's nothing. Make this one.
Ow! What have you done?
I think it looks really good. You know what? I might do your hair from now on at home.
Okay.
Okay, what do you prefer? To look good from the front or the back?
Look good from both back and the front?
Wrong answer.
No, right answer.
I asked you a question.
Well, if you look at me from the back, I want to look good from the back. If you look at me from the front, I want to look good from the front.
Wrong answer. It was looking so good. No, it doesn't.
What the fuck are you talking about? You know what? I can still see that patch on the side of my head.
There's no patch.
There. And there. Babe, what the fuck is that?
That's just your bald patch.
I'll give you one bald patch.
Give me one what?
Bald patch in the top of your head over there.
Well, I don't need
Shave your head off at night when you're sleeping. Have you made it a square or round?
Zigzag?
Zigzag? I don't want zigzag. Ow! It's good, babes. I like you. I like you. I like what you did. Thank you very much.